You can transform your nails at home from this to this using inexpensive tools in less than 3 minutes. First, you need to select press-ons of your choice. I got this one from Shein. It is about $1. And then adhesives of your choice. Then firstly, you have to moisturize your cuticles. For this, I am using my favorite moisturizer. This makes my nails look fresh and neat. Then I'm going to push my cuticles back using my hands. This is a rough way of doing it, but it gives nice results. Then choose an adhesive you'd like to use for your nails. Nail tabs are very great. I got these ones from Shein. These were about $1, but I'll be using an eyelash glue since I'm only gluing my nails for this video and I'll later remove them. Then take out the press-ons that you prefer. I got these ones from Shein. These are super natural and the plastic is very thin. These look super cute when you apply them. I am just going to take them out one by one and then check to see if they fit my nails perfectly. The nails shouldn't be too big or too small. It should easily glide onto your nail and fit perfectly. Then lay out the nails perfectly in order to fit the nail according to your finger, and then one by one glue them down. I used too much glue on this nail. First you need to let it dry. Once it's dry, then place on your nail. If you see the glue spilling out like this because I used too much glue, then you can simply just wipe it off. Once it's dry, then you can see how easily and perfectly the nail sticks. Then repeat the same process for all your nails and one by one glue them down. Once you have glued all your nails on your fingers, then you will be left with a stunning result. Look at how pretty these nails look. You can further enhance your look by adding some jewelry, which I also got from Shein. These rings are also about $1. If you decide to remove these nails, then all you need to do is just use micellar water and cotton pad and just wipe off the excess glue and they will be good as new. Thank you so much for watching. If you like to see more videos like this, then click subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next one.